This door leads to the backyard, and I really should replace it with a door that has better insulation value, but I'm not going to because I'm spending so much money on other things. But I'm going to replace those two doorknobs there. Those are kind of gold, those are real beat up, with some satin nickel guys. Okay, let's see if we can get this guy out there without too much trouble. Got him off there. It'll take a minute to figure this out here. Alright, got one of the bolts started and got the other one going. So I'll just get this in here. There we go. Okay, now I got this guy on here. Just need to tighten up the bolts. Okay, now I got the doorknob on there. Just need to tighten up the bolts and then get in the screws for the strike plate. These screws here. I find when I'm putting in wood screws on a doorknob, it's better to hand tighten them rather than use a cordless drill or something. Okay, just put the strap on and I'm done with this guy.